We're going.
Uh-oh. We're gonna get there.
Ah, don't tickle me.
Oh.
Your mummy's tickling me. I got a couple of tricks. Oh no. I stopped.
No, it's not.
I warned you.
Uh-oh, it's gonna fall off the edge.
Hello. Emma.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, that's really cool. Oh, that got me a bit.
It's only a tiny got that. Why are we going backwards? I think they know they're going to go backwards now. Oh, that's why it comes to the roller coaster, of course, right? Right, Daddy?
Yeah.
Still going backwards. Yeah! You drift on me! Oh.
Up we go.
Up we go! Up we go! It feels like we're both. Why does it feel like we're about to fall off the world? Woo!
Hey! Woo!
Oh no!
Oh! He got me! I've been shot!
They got me! Oh no! No! You! Oh
That was really good. I like that. That was brilliant.